Dear GialloZafferano friends, please welcome a delicious first course full of flavour and healthy carrier of good mood. Penne bun and smoked bacon will give life to an irresistible recipe. Manuel at the stove. Ready? Go! I'll start with the mushrooms. Beautiful fleshy, look at those beautiful penne buns. I cleaned almost all by one. I'll show you how it's done. A damp cloth, and we will very gently remove the excess soil because the mushrooms should never be cleaned under running water. Perfect. I'll slice them off. And put them aside. I can take care of the bacon, round of oil in the pan, which is already hot, and I'll saute it until it is nice and crunchy. The bacon is well browned. I take out of the pan. And in the nice tasty cooking souks, another round of oil. I put the chopped onion, in the mushrooms, brown them well. The mushrooms have watered out, and I can add the tomato puree. The tomato puree is well reduced, and I can bring the bacon back into the pan. Meanwhile the water is boiling, I can throw the pasta in. The sauce is almost ready, I can add fresh cream. Totally optional ingredient, but with all the wood I have to split, I'll need some energy. Pinne are firm to the bite, and I drain them straight to the pan. Nice stir. Now we only need some parsley. Add salt and pepper. One last stir. And we can serve our warm dish to our lumberjack friends. I can't describe the scent that has invaded my kitchen. I left the link down below to the photo recipe on GialloZafferano, where you will find ingredients and doses and step-by-step procedure. If you liked this video, please put a nice like, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel. Lumberjack Pennette. Bye YouTubers!